Hi kids! Welcome back to Mimo and Friends channel. Today we are going to learn about body parts, emotions, and even how to count by 2. Are you ready? Let's start. Let us learn the names of some body parts. Look at this. This is called head. Point to your head. Let us repeat the word. Head, head, head. Now look at these. These are called fingers. Touch your fingers.
Can you say
Fingers, fingers, fingers. Excellent job. And here is one more.
look
These are called feet. Can you point to your feet?
and
Repeat.
feet, feet, feet? Great.
Let us say them all together. Head, fingers.
Feet.
Now, let us learn some emotions. Look at the face on the screen. There is a huge
Smile.
means happy. If you have a big smile means you are happy. Let us repeat the word.
Happy, happy, happy.
Let us say it together. I am happy. Now, let's make a sad face. Now this shows that I am sad. Let us make a sad face and repeat the word.
Sad.
And say I am sad. Great job. Now look at this face. This look shows that one is surprised. Say it with me, surprised.
Surprised.
I am surprised. Great job. Let us do them all together.
Happy. Sad.
Surprised. Now, let us count by 2s. Do you happen to be ready? Let us count.
2,
4.
6, 8, 10.
Let's count.
2,
4.
6, 8, 10.
Great job. Let us try again.
Faster this time.
2, 4, 6, 8, 10. Wow, we had so much fun today.
We learned body parts like
Head, fingers,
and feet.
we learned emotions like
Happy, sad,
and surprised, and we counted by 2s up to 10. You are amazing. Now it is time to say goodbye. Can you say it with me?
goodbye. See you next time on
Mimo and Friends. Bye-bye.
Goodbye.